Have you ever felt lonely in a room full of people? Or noticed that after retirement, losing a spouse, or major life changes, stress feels heavier than it used to? Many older adults experience stress and loneliness, but these feelings do not have to mean something is wrong with you, and you do not have to face them alone. Welcome to Golden Years, Golden Health, where we focus on healthy living for the mind, body, and soul. Today, we're talking about managing stress and loneliness in the golden years, and I'll share practical tools you can begin using today. By the end of this video, you will identify signs of stress in older adults, learn coping skills for loneliness after retirement or loss, and practice mindfulness and spiritual grounding techniques. Let's begin. We begin with recognizing stress. Stress does not disappear as we age. In fact, life changes during the golden years can sometimes create new pressures. Common stressors include retirement, health changes, financial concerns, caregiving responsibilities, loss of loved ones, and reduced independence. Stress often shows up in both the body and emotions. Here are physical signs of stress: fatigue, trouble sleeping, headaches, increased aches and pains, appetite changes, and elevated blood pressure. Emotional signs may include anxiety, irritability, feeling overwhelmed, difficulty concentrating, sadness, and withdrawing from others. Take a moment and ask yourself, how has my body been responding lately? Sometimes our bodies notice stress before our minds do. Understanding loneliness. Loneliness and being alone are not the same thing. You can have people around you and still feel disconnected. Retirement, widowhood, children moving away, health limitations, and changing routines can create feelings of isolation. But loneliness does not have to become a permanent place to live. Here are 4 strategies that may help. Number 1, stay connected. Call a friend. Attend church. Join a community group. Reach out. Even small connections matter. Number 2, rediscover your purpose. Ask yourself, what gifts do I still have? Purpose can come through mentoring, volunteering, ministry, hobbies, or helping others. Number 3, keep moving. Simple movement helps emotional health by walking, stretching, gardening, and chair exercises. Movement can improve your mood and reduce your stress. And number 4, challenge negative thoughts. Sometimes loneliness says, no one cares about me, or I'm forgotten. Replace those negative thoughts with, I still matter. I still have hope, and I can reconnect. Mindfulness moment. According to a recent article published by the Mayo Clinic, research shows that mindfulness is a simple and practical way to lower stress, improve focus, and support overall health. Mindfulness is defined as a state of being mindful and aware of the present moment. Mindfulness is a state of meditation in which you focus on your thoughts, feelings, body, and surroundings. You do this without judgment. There's only awareness of the moment as it is. There are many ways to practice mindfulness. Here are a few. Number 1, start your day with gratitude. Before getting out of bed, take deep breaths and think of 5 things you are grateful for. This practice helps set a positive tone for the day and makes your mind more receptive to mindfulness. Number 2, focus on your breathing. When you focus on your breath, it helps distract your mind from overwhelming or negative thoughts. Focus on your breath as it moves in and out of your body. And number 3, live in the moment. Breathe, look around you, and be present in the moment. Try to pay attention to your environment, your senses, and what your body feels. Do this with no judgment, only observe. Even a few moments of mindfulness can boost your energy, make it easier to handle stress, and improve your mood. Mindfulness is a simple way to help you move through your day with more control, clarity, calm, and purpose. Spiritual grounding. For many people, faith becomes a powerful source of strength during difficult seasons. Spiritual grounding can include prayer, scripture reading, worship music, gratitude practices, and fellowship. Scripture reminds us, cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. That's 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 7. And the Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Psalms 34, verse 18. Even during lonely seasons, we are not alone. In closing, stress and loneliness may visit us, but they do not have to define us. Take care of your mind, take care of your body, and take care of your soul. And remember, your life still carries purpose. Thank you for joining us for Golden Years, Golden Health. May God bless you in your golden years to prosper and be in good health even as your soul prospers.